Creating inventory items in Netsuite is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, log in to your Netsuite account. Here, navigate to Lists and click on Accounting, then select Items. Click on the New button to create a new item record. In the Item Type field, select Inventory Part or Inventory Assembly, depending on whether the item is a standalone product or part of an assembly. Fill in the relevant details for your inventory item, including the item name, SKU, and any other necessary information. In the Inventory tab, enter details such as the item's weight, units of measure, and costing method. Specify whether the items are serialized or lot numbered. Items are grouped into batches with a common lot number. Navigate to the Pricing and Availability tab. Enter the item's pricing information, including the default sales price and any other pricing options. In the Accounting sub-tab, configure the accounting preferences for the item, including the income and expense accounts associated with sales and purchases. Specify whether the item is taxable and select the appropriate tax codes if applicable. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click the Save button to save the inventory item record. Before using the inventory item in transactions, review the details to ensure accuracy. Conduct test transactions to verify that the inventory item behaves as expected in different scenarios.